Today I want to talk to you about one of the biggest mistakes I'm seeing people make right now, and it's whether they're refinancing or they're shopping for homes. I'm going to call it 900 apps. Seriously, 900 apps. So we've had a bunch of people recently where, I spend basically from 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. every morning reviewing applications. That's when I look at everything we have to try to catch up, make sure that we're giving good service. And I reach out, of course, once it's a decent time. And so I'm 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. Pacific. So I start with my friends out in the East Coast and then work my way. And a lot of times I'll call someone and they'll be like, well, which bank are you with? And I'm like, are you kidding? I woke up at 5 a.m. and I looked at your application for an hour, and what bank am I with? Cool, okay. It's okay to shop lenders for rate. I encourage it in all of my videos, but guys, you shouldn't be filling out applications with 60 different lenders. It does not make sense for a myriad of reasons. Number one, you don't want everyone pulling your credit. Yes, you can have a certain amount of credit pulls within a certain time, but start out front by having a conversation with the lender, asking about their rates, asking about their process. Make sure they are a good fit for you before you fill out that application. Because otherwise all you're doing is you're getting on their list to be spammed. Seriously. Because a lot of times, especially with the VA, they'll talk to the big three and they'll talk to us and I'll tell them the rates and they'll be like, oh, yay, right? And I love that. That's my favorite part of the entire job. I do love saving people money. That's awesome. Anyways, but they'll have applications with all these other people. So whenever you have applications with people, what's going to happen is they're going to email market you. They're going to call you. They're basically going to keep on coming at you. And that can be fine. But if they're offering a rate that's higher and fees that are higher, it's like, why do you want all this noise? It's like if you were dating and you found the perfect person and then you had all this street trash trying to hook up with you. It's like, no, ew, ugh. So you don't want to do that. And also you really, and it was interesting. We had a gal who's very nice, but she couldn't even remember well, wait, I think this lender was with this place and this lender was, well, wait, I think I applied with this. Do you know who these people are? And it was she couldn't even keep straight what institutions had run her credit. And that's dangerous, because if you're just applying to everything you see online, how many of these are legitimate lenders? Right? You don't have to do an application to know what a lender's fees and a ballpark of rates is, okay? Now, a lender cannot lock you without an application. However, if you're shopping, you do not have to do an application with every lender. So I just wanted to give you guys this top tip because I'm starting to see it a lot, and it's a waste of your time. It's a waste of the lender's time. It's a waste of everybody's time. Have a conversation with the lenders that you're thinking about up front. Talk about rate and fee. Verify with their website that what they're saying is in the ballpark, and then proceed from there. Don't just fill out 32 applications and go from there. It's confusing, a headache, and a total time suck for all involved. So I hope this has been super helpful. As always, I do appreciate you guys. I love all the questions I get. Sometimes it takes us a day or so to respond to them, just because we do get a lot of hey, this is what happened in my life. How do I handle it? But keep them coming, guys. As you know, I'm licensed in 44 states. Oh yeah, I got another one. So we're basically lending across the country, and happy to help out in any way we can. Thanks.